I'm not sleeping very well. My concentration gone to hell. I've fallen under some ancient spell. Must be the gypsy in you. If you're not looking for
The adventure starts here. This is the pre-run to Bristol to get all my gear up for the season. So I've gone with my paddleboard bag and a dirty old suitcase that I found in the loft. But I am loaded to the brim. Everything that I'm not taking on the bike is here. So I've got chairs, my big tent, sleeping bag, my toolkit, because obviously I'm in Bristol to build the bars for a couple of weeks. I had to sacrifice a couple of items. I did want to bring a little fridge and a hammock stand, but I just couldn't squeeze them in. So yeah, but it's exciting. Today's going to be a horrible mission because it's roasting out. But yeah, this is the first step. So right, Bristol, let's go, let's do it. Welcome to Bristol on a beautiful Sunday morning. So another day, another mission. Everything went well yesterday, got my stuff up here, met up with a few guys from the festival, which was nice, and getting a bit excited for the summer now. But today I'm heading to Weston-super-Mare. I have to pick up a new bike. I've done a bit of eBay work yesterday, and I purchased a new bike that's going to take me on the trip through the summer, so I'm pretty excited about that. But we're on a bit of a time scale as always, so quick train to Weston, pick up the bike, train back to London. 2 more weeks of work and then the summer starts. All right, let's go. There she is, my new ride for the summer. So yeah, just met the guy outside the station, looking good. Pretty nice gravel bike really. I need to get some bigger tyres on that. So yeah, hopefully this little beauty is going to do me the whole summer. Let's see how she bears under the weight of all my gear. But yeah, so Weston-super-Mare, last stop, now back to Bristol, back to London, and then we go. All right, good morning. Right, today is the day we set off on the trip for the summer. 2.5 months bike packing around the festivals in the UK. Awesome. So just doing my last pack up on the bike. I've spent the last 3 days trying to sort it out and it doesn't really fit. We're going to try and squeeze it on. So I thought I'd do a quick gear list, show you what we're taking. So this is my first fork bag. We've got a drone, shoes, coffee, flip-flops, spare tarp, camp stove, Catadine water filter, shovel, some oil and a head torch. Second fork bag is all my electrics, my laptop, I edit the videos, power bank, headphones, GoPro batteries, 100 watt 4-way plug, and some backup SD cards. I've also got my sleeping bag, nature hike 3 season. It's pretty lightweight, warmer, and the toiletries in there as well. My 2 phones I'm taking, they'll just go in my feeder bag. One's a Google Pixel Pro, got a camera, and the other one's a Doogee 98 Pro, I think it is. It's got like a 12 milliamp battery on it, so it's another extra battery pack. So the jacket, lighter, and that just goes in my top tube bag. So this stuff here is going in the triangle bag. It's my frying pan plate. Helinox Zero chair, which is a must. You've got to be comfy when you stop. Spare tube, and just a foldable backpack. Clothes wise, that's all going in the roll bag on my handlebars. I've got 3 separate bags. One is bike stuff, like base layers, trousers, merino t-shirt. The middle stuff is just around for the camp at night. Just some trackies, hoodie, warm socks, and here's just some civilian clothes really. Just a shirt, shorts if we go swimming somewhere in a lake or whatever. And some sealskin socks, waterproofs. Need those babies. This stuff, I don't know where I'm putting it yet. This is going into my tool bag, which is on the back. This small one here, that's on the back of my tail bag. And in the tail bag goes a tent. So we've got the Haven XL hammock, which I use all the time. Blow up pillow. This is just the poles hammock straps. That's the top for the hammock. Also got a little first aid kit and just a lightweight puffy. So that's all got to squeeze on somehow. Also got 3 bottles of water. These are a litre now. I've upsized these, which is nice. Just some sunnies, some rubbish in there. This is a new one. I got this yesterday. This is my food bag. I like to have a lot of food when I'm on the go. And in this little zip, I've just got some spare pegs, some matches, just some miscellaneous stuff. So that's all the gear. Now let's just try and get it on the bike, and then I need to leave. Because yeah, I've got a stop to make today. I bought the bike a couple of weeks ago, but I want to change the wheels. So I bought some wheels yesterday on eBay from a guy in Fleet, which is about 4.5 hours away. So that's going to be my first stop. I'm going to stop there, change the wheels, and then head on. So about 70k to do today. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning now. I want to be setting off quick soon. So yeah, right, let's get it on.
Spend your whole life hustling, trying to get known. Don't kid yourself, think you're chasing fame. Unless you got well-funded plans from a million YouTube fans, well, no one's gonna ever learn your name. And the years I spent in music, well, they sure did take their toll. But God damn it, I just had to rock and roll. Years I spent in music, but they sure did take their toll. But God damn it, I just had to rock and roll. And I try my best to do something with my life. Music is my mistress and she won't let go. I worked a 9 to 5, felt so dead inside. So I hope I make some cash in my next show. So I'll sell you my album, but I will not sell my soul. God damn it, I just wanna rock and roll.
There she is, all packed. That was a struggle. I've got too much gear. I've only got to get to Bristol and then I can put some of it into my festival camp slot. But yeah, it's heavy. So let's see how we do on the road. All right, time to get going.